still raising their hand.
Madam Chair.
Can we call Honorable Marcoleta first? Honorable Marcoleta is a non-member of Justice Committee, but of course, we recognize her opportunity to manifest her position as well.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you for highlighting my being a non-member of this committee. But
I
nonetheless,
highlighted also that
have
you
every
have
right
the
to speak.
privilege to manifest your position.
Thank you po.
Because that is according to our rules, Honorable Marcoleta.
Including the highlighting of being a non-member. Kasama po yun.
The rule that non-members cannot raise a motion and cannot vote, but they
Opo.
can manifest. And that is observed in all committees in the House of
Madam Chair, I
Representatives.
did not say that I'm about to make a motion. Wala nung po akong sinabi. Anyway, ma'am, magandang hapon po sa
Madam Chair,
sa committee na ito.
Madam Chair,
Is that a point of order?
yes, not really the point of order. I just would like to find out if he is a she or a he because you have been mentioning her.
Point of order, Madam Chair. Let's allow Congressman Marcoleta to proceed.
All right. Honorable Marcoleta is recognized. You may proceed.
Madam Chair,
Gusto
I
ko
just would
bang-
like to make it clear.
He
Madam
is
Chair,
he. He
The
is he.
point
I
of
stand
order is not
corrected.
in order, Madam Chair, because I just want to make, because you said twice her.
All right.
So I
I'm
would like to
addressing
find out
him.
if she is a she or a he.
Madam
is
Chair,
he.
make a ruling and allow Congressman Marcoleta to proceed.
As a response to
proceed
the
to-
Honorable Abante, we are addressing now Honorable Marcoleta as he, him, his, and the chair therefore stands corrected. You may proceed, Honorable Marcoleta.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you for that clarification, Bishop Benny Abante. Ewan ko kung is that germane to this hearing. Anyway, magandang araw po, ginang Madam Chair at sa mga kapita-pitagang miyembro ng committee na ito. Marahil ay inaasahan nyo na ako po ay magbibigay ng manifestasyon para tutulan ang pagbubukas ng box na yan mula sa BIR. Ang katunayan po, ako po ay hindi tututol. You may go ahead and open it all you want. Sabi nga ni Madam Chair, hawak niya ang beat. Sino ba naman ako para pigilan ito? Sabi nga ng kanta, huwag mong bibitawan. Huwag niyo nang bitawan yung box. So I dare the committee to open the box, but with a caveat, siguraduhin niyo po na hindi kayo nakalalabag sa batas. At sinabi rin po ni Popoy sa pelikula, I deserve an explanation. I deserve an acceptable reason. Siguraduhin niyo po na kung bubuksan niyo yan, mayroon po kayong acceptable reason na naayon sa batas. At ako po ay kaisa niyo rin sa komite na ito sa paghahanap ng katotohanan. Pero sa ating paghahanap at pagsasiliksik ng katotohanan, siguraduhin po natin na tayo po ay hindi nakalalabag sa ating mga batas. Maraming salamat po, Madam Chair.
Again,
Ayun. Sorry. Hindi nyo na rin yung sinabi ko. Naka-off pala yung mic ko. Ulitin ko lang. Napansin nyo yung stand ni Marcoleta. Sige, nasa iyo ang beat. Buksan nyo na. Bakit niya inuudyok? Para alam natin, mga absat, may possible na ma-technical ng Supreme Court. Sige, buksan nyo na. Bakit siya pabor? Siyempre, tingnan nyo yung mga kasama natin. Nahati na. Buksan nyo. Hayaan nyo. Parang nabuksan yan. Nandyan ang Supreme Court. Ipinupush niya ang ating mga kasamang congressman dyan. Sige na, buksan nyo na. Kasi yun na lang yung last choice nila para ma-technical ang Kamara, mga kakabsat. Sorry to say, mga kabsat, no? Pero yun talaga. Gusto talaga natin mabuksan yan. Pero kung talaga may possibility na mat-technical tayo. Kaya tingnan nyo si Marcoleta ngayon. Sige, buksan nyo na. Go, buksan nyo na. Go lang. Gawin nyo yung gusto nyo. Tulad ng sabi ni Guanzon, buksan nyo. Sige. Nang ma-technical kayo sa Supreme Court. Sinabi ni Guanzon yan mismo. Meron siyang statement na ganyan. Sige, buksan nyo nang ma-technical kayo sa Diyan kayo malulusutan ulit. Masasayang lahat ng pagod for more than 2 months. More than 2 months nating sinubaybayan to, mga kabsat. Masasayang. Sige, tuloy.
And that is a manifestation, and therefore it does not deserve or require any answer. Let us proceed. If there are no
Ito
other
na.
members